In a world full of colors where the wild things dwell, a young boy named Max with his crown that spells imagination, magic, and boundless wonder. He set sail on a journey, his spirit torn asunder. Through forests and jungles where the beasts roam free, Max dances and plays with a heart full of glee. He joins the wild rumpus, a joyful celebration, with the creatures of the night in wild jubilation, where the